ladam day padon basun buar halaban kan mau ka de generalship kaba ki dekhar kilaban yang kilaban ele klem bisa ngala ban pelim ya unong chun jeng jaj penriu kecungi ubala file case ya ka discouncil ngi job mangi don bok file case ka discouncil lengba kata NTYU with the vision ban abolition of power and function jeng discouncil napo ki municipal area ban pelong ya ke regular election municipal ada long election municipal kamut 80% ki non tribal ki ban long ward member ki file case apo Supreme Court ba ki bor jeng discouncil ki dorbar sunong ki sengen thai sing samla ki don bor so apa municipal area utau non other than the president of the NTYU u bangala sure on the sunong club